Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get an invoice for my booking on Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus account or application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is how can you get Flixbus, or where can you find Flixbus? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompts to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to get an invoice for my booking on Flixbus. Now I'm going to start with the booking process. So let's say you've added the what's it called, your destination, departure location and destination location, and then you added your departure date, return date, and you added the passenger people that will be going with you, and you clicked on search. So let's go ahead and follow through the booking process. I'm going to show you how you can request your invoice from there. So let's say I selected this first one and no seats left. Okay, I select another one. No seats left for that location. Okay, then we're trying to set stuff. Okay. I'm going to select this one. And next. So from here, if you scroll all the way down, you're going to find this add billing address. So click on that. Then add your billing address, your name, first name, additional address, street and number, country, zip code, and city. Now, this is to ensure that in your invoice, your billing address is added to your invoice. But this is where you can get your invoice. Now, you automatically receive an invoice for every booking. So after booking, you automatically receive your invoice. Now, you can find it and download it on the Manage My Booking page. If you need an invoice with an address on it, I've shown you how to do that. So to add an invoice address to your existing booking, you can go ahead and click on Manage My Booking and open the invoice section. From here, you'll be able to change the address by clicking on Change Billing Address. But that's not it. I'm going to show you where you can get to Manage My Booking page on Flixbus. So this is Flixbus. Now I'm going back to the home page for Flixbus. Now from this home page, head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find Booking, Ticket, Stops, and more. So select tickets. So this ticket button takes you to the manage. This is the Manage My Booking window. But from here, select the tickets. And once you select any of the tickets, you're going to see the invoice option. All right, after selecting your ticket, you're going to see the invoice option. Select invoice and follow through with the on-screen prompts to download your invoice. All right, so that's pretty much it. So you can check your email confirmation mail after placing your booking. You're going to get your invoice, or you can head over here to tickets and select the ticket, click on invoice and download your invoice. So these are the ways that you can use to get your invoice on Flixbus. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.